Hi legends, today is a high impact news day, so stay cautious out there. Today we'll analyze the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Also remember, we've got CPI data being released today, interest rate decision, and also the FOMC. My three favorite exchanges that I use to do my daily trading is Bluffin, 𝗞𝗍, and 𝗖𝗿𝘆. Go down in the video description and you will see I've got Bluffin, 𝗖𝗿𝘆, and 𝗞𝗍. Sign up today, come trade with me. Let's go analyze the price of Bitcoin. Right legends, looking at Bitcoin here on the 1 hour time frame, I'm just keeping an eye here, taking a fib from the lows that we've made on the 1st of May to the double top highs that we've made over here. Okay, you will see I still got my range low strategy that I'm still waiting for patiently to potentially play out. If we do find weakness, perhaps rejecting here by this diagonal trend that I've got drawn up here, and we find continuation here to the downside, I do see this as a high probable bouncing area. You've got confluence with the diagonal trend, you've got confluence with the 50% fib level, together with the range low pivot where you could weak down SFP and find strength back to the upside. So for momentum to continue from where we are right now, what I would like to see is zooming into the 15-minute time frame. The one thing that I will be looking at, and we're getting a little bit of pumpy action here to the upside, is when I take a fib from this high to the low that we've made over here. Okay, as soon as we start tapping, let me just take this fib out, clean up the chart over here. As soon as we start tapping the 50% fib level over here, right, and we get a rejection from this 50% fib level over here, you can go in a little bit higher, but I don't want to see us tap the 0.618. From this 0.618 level, if we find the strength to move up here, break the trend, and tap the 0.618 level, we do increase the probabilities that any move down becomes corrective, okay, and you will have momentum back to the upside to potentially come and claim this high around about $70,000. So for continuation to the downside, like I've explained on the higher time frame, what you would like to see is you would like to see a rejection at maximum the 50% fib level over here, which means that we still then have a higher probability of claiming the low. So if we do get rejected over here and we don't tap the 0.618, we have a higher chance of coming down to come and claim the low again, and that range low strategy that I've just highlighted on the 1 hour time frame. But please stay cautious. We do have lots of important news coming out today, so I prefer to sit on my hands on big news days like today and just watch how the price action plays out. Give it a couple of hours, let price find its feet and slow down, and let the market absorb the news that's coming out, and then I jump back into the market with good risk management and look out for the next possible trading setups. Let's go and analyze the price of Ethereum here quick. Okay, on Ethereum here on the 1 hour time frame, I remember doing a live stream where we were ranging over here, okay, and someone asked the question, Devil, will you go long right now on ETH? And I said no, because we still have not claimed or reclaimed this range that we've been forming since 20th of May up until 7th of July. What I would have liked to see for continuation to the upside is us getting acceptance back inside of this range, which we failed. Okay, we had a SFP, we had consolidation below the range, we tried to get through, we didn't get through, we retested it, and now we're finding downwards momentum. So for the moment, it does look like ETH is curling over here at the moment. Also, I like to talk about the range low and the range high strategies. And it's all just a game of probabilities, because we have tapped this low over here after a massive pump to the upside. This is what I call the range low. It is the first low that the price action makes after a massive pump to the upside. It makes a low and then it continues inside of the range. What you can see now over here is that ETH has just tapped the range low. And the rules for the range low is when you have multiple 1 hour candles closing below the range low, okay, it does increase the probabilities that you are going to come and fill this gap over here, and you might see us bouncing here on the 7866, which is $3,098. But for now, we are ranging above the range low. So this could have been perhaps a liquidity grab. And now what you would like to see to remain bullish here on the price of ETH ETH now needs to move away without tapping this level for the second time. If it comes back for a retest, it taps it for a second time, you increase the probabilities even higher that you are going to come and fill this gap and potentially bounce here by $3,000 100 give or take. Also, we have to acknowledge that ETH has formed a fresh daily level in confluence with this value area low, and also on top we have another daily level at the value area high. So these two areas over here definitely a possibility for a rejection for continuation to the downside. If ETH had to find the strength over here, I want to see how price is going to react when we hit this daily level. Do we fail to break through and find weakness, or do we smash it with high volume, retest it as support, and then we can say, okay, well, next target is the top daily level here at $3,869. Also, legends, keeping things simple, what I would do is just include a trend here from the top, connect this pivot, and a break of this trend will tell me whether we're going to find continuation to the upside or whether we're going to still continue to range inside the zone and come and fill the area to the bottom. Thanks for watching. I've made a tutorial on Bluffin, one of my favorite exchanges that I do my daily trading on. Go check out this video right now, and until the next one, cheers for now.